Hey guys, back here with you from a Watchgang unboxing. This should be a wheel watch I spun on Tier 1. I've done the spins probably about 10 times now. The first time I won a Tier 3 watch, it was the Heritor 7702. Now, every time I've spun since, I've only won the first choice. So Tier 1 on the first tier spin. Pretty disappointed, but maybe it's just the luck of the draw. Let's go ahead and open this. Gotta use two hands here, so. Yeah, pretty sure this is going to be the Studer Shield Blitz watch. Now, not a fan, but not horrible for a watch. It's big, and I don't even remember what color it is. Now, before I open this, I have to say, Watchgang has been amazing. They've sent a new watch every month. They ship on the 16th of every month, and I'm in Canada, and today is the 18th. But this is a wheel watch. I believe they shipped it on the 13th or 14th. So 5 business days. That's pretty reasonable to get from San Bernardino, California to Ottawa, Ontario. This is just shipping information. Not really too much in the box. Just this. It's the most basic packaging I've seen so far. So we'll go ahead and open it up. See what we got. Plastic film is already coming off of there. Let's get it out of the way. Comes on a nice pillow. It's not a bad looking watch, actually. Now, I thought this was plastic. As you can hear, that's not plastic, that's metal. This too is plastic, or metal, sorry. Let's take the watch out. Yeah, it's on a very nice pillow. I didn't expect that from a Tier 1 watch. Now, it's got some nice weight to it. I thought it would be a very cheap design, very cheap watch. But it's not bad looking. That's the back, stainless steel back, water resistant 3 ATM on the rubber strap. Now, I don't have a watch with a rubber strap yet. The only watches I have so far, I only have 4 of them, are the Pure Dial, the Canton & Hall, the I can't remember the name of this one. That was also a wheel watch. That's Tier 1. That's my first watch ever, Tier 1. And that's a wheel watch. Heritor 7702 automatic. Now I have this guy to add to it. Now, I don't know if there's a loom or not. Let's check it out. Just gonna shine a light. Oh, there we go. The hands light up, but that's about it. So, all in all, not a bad purchase. I'm pretty happy. I'll be back with another watch very soon. I got a few of these off the wheel this month, as well as my original tier membership. Next month I'll have an original tier membership as well as a black membership, my first black subscription. So we'll see you then.